Next, statement level triggers. So it will fire once for the whole SQL statement, regardless of how many rows it affects. Okay. So defined with for each statement, that means we have to write for each statement in the place of for each row, like that. Okay. Remaining same. That means this statement level triggers, we don't have any old and new records. That means we don't have old new tables. Okay. So works with DML, insert, update, delete, and like truncate statement, in DDL truncate statement. Useful for logging, auditing, restrictions, validations that apply to the whole statement, not individual rows. That means when that insert statement, update statements will be executed. Okay. So these kind of actions, we can capture it, not row level, statement level. Okay. So see, this is DML triggers. So before, I mean, before insert, after insert, like that. So row level triggers. Okay. So I will take one example for differentiate these kinds of triggers. So I'm taking one insert query and trying to insert multiple values like L 3000, department number 10, and 4020. Okay. I'm trying to insert it. See what will happen. Execute this. See, LM in TREMP, LM, two records are inserted in employee table, and coming to the audit table, L records, L is inserted for twice, before insert and after insert. M is inserted for twice, before insert, after insert. That means it is row level. So here I am trying to insert multiple records at a time. So even though I am trying to insert multiple records, so this trigger will fire multiple times. Okay. So this trigger will fire depends on the multiple records execution. Okay. How many records you are trying to execute? So that much of times the trigger will fire. That's why you are having too many records in audit table. But coming to this statement level trigger, if you mention here statement level, then it will run only one time, even though you are trying to insert multiple records. Okay. So this is main difference between statement level trigger and row level trigger. So row level trigger means, as it name itself, it will trigger will fire for each and every row. And statement level trigger means trigger will fire for each statement. That means this one. For each state, for this statement, trigger will fire only once, so that you can capture some audit purpose. So when this insert query will be executed, and before insert the trigger will fire, or after insert the trigger will fire, so that kind of information we can able to capture it. So if you want to prevent that also, you can prevent. Okay. So I will take one example for this. So see, same example I am taking, and here I am changing for each statement. Okay. Each statement. for all DML statement function name. And here, before that, better to take this code and put it here. Okay. I'm disabling these triggers. Better to create table tr underscore event serial number action type varchar action date. Okay, so these columns we have already created for audit table. PR event already exists, so we have created in previous session. Okay, drop table. Okay, select star from if new dot salary is less than 1,000, then salary is less than 1,000, salary is less. I'm trying to execute all these functions. trdml underscore htmt. So trying to execute one record. See, null value in column employee number of relation, while it's not null constraint. Not null value in employee number. tr emp. emp audit. Disable it. One record is inserted. So n record. Okay. So when I'm trying to enable it, now execute it, null value will come. Okay. So that means, see here, see the statement, they don't have old and new records. Okay. So we can capture the information like event insert into tr event table, action type, column name, values before insert. Okay. So now I'm trying to insert one record. So here, error is coming from here. So I'm trying to insert here. So employee audit table, it is not expecting null value. Before update, before delete, insert, after update, after delete. So execute it. Better to truncate this employee, not employee audit table. So we can check TR event table. We can capture that actions. Okay. So here I'm trying to insert one record. Again, this error is coming, but I'm not. Is there any trigger on TR EMP audit table? I will check. This one. Well, value in the column, employee number of relation. I guess not null constraint. SQL statement insert into, but I am not using this statement. Trigger function. This is trigger function I'm using. TREMP triggers. Any trigger is firing TRDML statement, TRDML after statement. I'm trying to insert this table. So, oh shit. See, what happened is, see, I didn't change the function name here. So that's why I'm getting the exception. I didn't change the function in here. So now if I execute it, I think it will be fine now. So I'm creating this table, and now I'm trying to insert. See, one record has been inserted. So employee name, oh, it has been inserted. See this. I didn't write the insert query for employee audit in statement level trigger. Okay. So I have used tr event table. See, before insert, after insert. When I'm trying to update this, see, before update, after update. Okay. Delete. After delete. Before delete, after delete. And insert multiple records. See, before insert, after insert. I have inserted multiple records, but I don't have multiple rows. Okay, see this. We have 8 records. Again, I am trying to insert. 2 records have been inserted, and you can check here. See, before insert, after insert only. Okay, so like that, statement level triggers will work. So, any doubt?